Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Happy Gandhi Jayanti in advance. And how was
How
your
was
Gandhi
it?
Jayanti celebration today?
I'm very nice. Ma'am, it was so much fun. We
Very
made
good, Hare.
Gandhi nice.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Yes, Hare, I can see. Nice.
Ma'am, I made it also and I ate it also.
Okay. So now I'm going to give your assessment, one assessment link in the classroom as well as in the chat box. Please keep revision notebook with you so that you can do the calculations. Don't send me the calculations, just write the final answer in the Google form. And when there is you think it's a story problem, please write the statement also. And please, after submitting the Google form, do mark as done.
Mom, can you send the CD link again?
I will send it here. It is posted in the classroom. Refresh your classroom, and I'm
Ma'am,
going to
I
post it
can't
in
be
the
in classroom. It is problem. I have to.
chat box also. Just please
Thank
go
you.
to the chat box. Moksh, Arush Miani, Lakshya Dola, Viha, Earth, Hare, please request Krishav. Arav Apani, turn on your camera. And link is posted. Arav Apani, you have joined just now. You have your assessment today. Link is already Vedi, you have joined now. Link is already posted in the classroom.
Okay.
As well as I'm giving you the chat box also. Please go to the link.
Ma'am, when I go in another application, my camera turns off. Right now, I'm
Okay.
in Meet only. That's why it is on.
My also.
Ma'am, my also.
See, my dear, don't
Ma'am,
tell
my
lie.
also.
I have a device which can tell me that which child is telling lie or which child is truly doing. So in my laptop, it will automatically comes to me. So don't tell lie. Truthfully, it is possible because I can tell you.
Ma'am, in the first question, we have to write how many minutes are there.
Yes, you have done the practice of such type of questions also.
Ma'am, you have sent it the link.
Ma'am,
I have posted in the classroom. I have posted in the classroom, giving you in the chat box also.
ma'am, the in of the first question, can I only I have to write the whole spelling of minutes or I'm writing short
The
form?
way you want to write.
Mom, you can send again the link in chat box.
Which child is saying this?
Harsh.
Why you have joined late? It is there in the classroom. Go from the classroom. Students, I have a device which can tell me that you are purposely keeping your camera off. So please, until I call your name, you should please turn on your cameras. My device can tell me which child is keeping purposely the camera off. Dheer Kinsara, I want to see you. Please sit properly. Vihan Vyas, I want to see you. Vihan Vyas, I want to see you.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay, now it's on. Arush Miani,
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see you, bacha.
Yes, ma'am, my camera is on only.
Yes, keep it on.
Ma'am, I will go in Google for my camera will off.
See, I just now told you my device will tell me which child is telling lie or which is purposely doing the camera off.
Okay.
Harsh Keshwani, you got the link? Is there any child who's facing in the link for opening the link? Is there any child?
Yes, ma'am, I have got the link.
Ma'am, instead of rupees sign, I'm putting RS. It's okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, fourth one, I can't understand the question. Fourth one.
I will read.
Ma'am, for the fourth one, when you did revision, there were two answers. So we have to write the both the answers.
Yes, you can write both. Harsh Keshwani, if you have attended my class, you can easily give the answer of this. That one fortnight equals to how many days?
I got it.
Mohammed Mohammed, I request you to sit properly so that you can easily visible to me. Everyone is doing the rough calculation if required. Please do the calculations if required.
I'm not able to understand the question number 7.
Okay, wait. Ramu has two children. This one.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramu has two children, a boy and a girl. The boy was born on April 15, 2010 and the girl was born on this date. Who is elder? कौन बड़ा होगा? That you should learn. पता होना चाहिए आपको how to see which child is elder.
Ma'am, I got it.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
I can't understand the first one.
First one of which group?
For a first group only.
That how many days? The number of minutes in 3 hours 20 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I cannot tell you the answer, bacha. I have done the revision based on that. 3 hour 20 minutes equal to how many minutes total?
Ma'am, I'm confused in sixth one.
You children are all still on the 6th and 7th. My dear, you know 15 minutes have already passed.
Ma'am, third page.
No, ma'am, I'm on third page.
Third page, 6th question.
Yes,
Let me read.
that puzzle one.
Third page में तो 6 question है ही नहीं. अच्छा, which one? 6th one.
Yes,
Whose house is nearest?
yes.
Sorry. If you don't understand, you have learned the method how to find out. I cannot tell you the answer. We have already discussed about this.
Ma'am, I have submitted.
Very good. Hare, you cannot able to see which house is nearest?
Ma'am, it was easy.
Yes.
I was confused in only one question. Then I got the answer.
If Jignesh, your CET is done, start writing the tables
Of
from
which, ma'am?
16 to 20.
Okay.
In your revision notebook. Lakshya Dola, turn on your camera, please. Lakshya Dola, turn on your
Ma'am,
camera.
my camera it's automatically off.
I will check it out. I will see whose camera is off or not. Please
Ma'am,
write your section also.
ma'am, in the last page, third question, we have to write that how many loss, or only we have to write profit or loss.
No, how much loss also. That also you need to write.
Okay, so first we have to write loss or profit, any answer, and then we have to write the
How much
amount.
loss or how much profit. Yes, amount also. Shivani and Shivangani, do your individual work. Those who have completed their assessment, they start writing the tables from 16 to 20.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm?
That I have not to two dots to write the time, so I can do one dot only
Yes.
in the.
Hmm.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Please go.
Ma'am, in the last question,
Hmm.
so we have to write the interest is 20 rupees of the month.
Hmm.
Uh,
Don't tell the answer. Let me read. Which question you are saying?
last question in
They
this.
are asking how much you will pay to the bank after 1 year. You will not pay the interest only after the 1 year. You have to pay the complete amount after the 1 year.
Ma'am, I'm telling that the interest is
Rupees 20 for a year.
24 year.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, did you got?
I will check. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, did you get my?
Let me check. Yes, I have received Jignesh, Rishav, Dhwani, Pragyan, Hare.
Now we have to write tables.
Yeah, right. Table 16 to 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the last question, the interest is 20 rupees. So it is monthly or year?
Yearly. Am I visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the fourth page, the third question is find the profit or loss. The profit or loss. So, what is profit and what is loss? That we have to write.
Yeah, if it is a profit, you don't have to write what is profit and what is loss. You have to write if it is a profit, write profit is this much. If it is a loss, loss is this much. Word loss also and the number also. Word profit or the number also. Whatever the answer is, but that word along with that. When I will check it, Mohan, then I will send it.
Ma'am, but I have only written loss.
No, write the
I have
amount
submitted.
of amount also.
Ma'am, have you gave my CD?
Let me check. Which child is asking?
Ma'am, Vihan Vyas.
Got it. There are still some children who are confused when to write AM, when to write PM. I don't know why.
Ma'am, now what we are gonna do?
Write tables from 16 to 20 in your notebooks, revision notebooks.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
No, both together will not go. Let her come first.
Bottle is here.
Then you can drink.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes.
In the last page, I have to write in the third question. I have to write the number also of how much profit or loss is there.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
After completing your assessment, please write tables in your revision notebook and sit with your camera on if your assessment is done. I request Jignesh to sit with the camera on if he has done his assessment. I will call these children. They will keep their camera on. Hare, Pragyan, Pritika, Moin Kuledi, Vihan Vyas,
Ma'am, my
Arush
camera is
Yani,
on.
Arav Hapani, Shivangani, Shivani, Harsh Keshwani, Mohammad Momin. They have to sit with the camera on.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Okay. Yes, Mohammad Momin, you want to ask something?
Hello, ma'am. We have to do the mark done.
Yes, do as Mark has done in the classroom.
Ma'am, how much we have to write? How many tables we have to write?
From 16 to 20. Arush Miani, you have also submitted. Please turn on your camera and sit in the class.
Ma'am, did you got my?
Let me check.
Ma'am, my
Pritika,
camera
yes,
is on.
Asta. Yes, Asta, I received.
Ma'am, my camera is on only.
Let me pin you. It's not on.
Ma'am,
Not
here is
on.
saying. Ma'am, now.
Yes, now it's on. Pritika, yours also not on. Please turn on. Asta, I request you to please write the tables 16 to 20 in your notebook. Five minutes are left. Please complete it fast.
Ma'am, till which table we have to write?
Ma'am, you got
16 to 20.
Ma'am, you got mine.
Let me check, Pritika. Yes, I received Pritika.
Ma'am, you got my.
Ma'am, I also.
Again, I will call the child name. That child will has submitted. Dignesh, Krisha, Dhwani, Pragyan, Hare, Diva, Pritika, Moin Kuledi, Vihan Vyas, Arush Miani, Arav Apani, Shivangani, Shivani, Harsh, Mohammad Momin, Astha, and Lakshadola. These students have submitted.
Ma'am, you will send.
And I request those who have submitted, they sit with their camera on and write the tables from 16 to 20 in the revision notebook.
Ma'am, you will send the marks on Gmail.
The way I always send the response sheet, no? I say attach the response sheet in the classroom. Same way I will send your marks. Same way. So please, within after 1 or 2 work days, you can check your classroom. I will send it. Probably by Monday it will be posted. If possible, I can send today also. But I'm telling, wait for the Monday. Till Monday, I can easily post it. Three minutes are left. Vedi, do it fast. Arth Gujarati, do it fast.
Ma'am, I have submit.
Okay.
Have you got mine, dear?
Let me see the. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have write 16 to 20 tables.
Learn them thoroughly.
Sorry, ma'am.
Learn them thoroughly. And Vihan Vyas, I request you to attend my class regularly. Don't come on the CETs and assessment days only. I request you to please come daily basis so that you can understand what is going on in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Because you are coming very frequent, attending very less classes. Please attend regularly on a daily basis.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shivani.
yesterday you told me to write 16, a table of 16 and 17. That time when I was writing the 17 table, I see one thing. In 17 table, the 16 answers, like 16 ones is 16. In first 17, 16 plus 1, 17.
16 plus 1, 17. I don't understand. Okay. Only 16 was a 16 and 17 was a 17.
For example, 16 to is 32, right? 16 to 32 plus 2, 34. 17 to the 34.
Okay.
I know that trick for a long time.
Okay. Okay, students, the time is up. Those who have not submitted, they can submit me. I'll end the class now. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am.